Hello people, how na dey? Hope so na dey fine. This video more like me share this video, okay? You get one video where be say don priest do. I'll put am for una. So una know say this shiny of a thing with your husband, e don dey like go another level. Say the thing one can go reach where Papa Uwaila dey. Una understand? Una know say the man say na him dey pay shine husband talk say na him dey pay school fees of Diamond, which the daughter of Shiny, okay? Now they do everything. So don priest come do one video to send to Papa Uwaila, make on they take care of your pikin. Don priest, this message na to you. I believe say that time wey be say Papa Uwaila come out that time, you never dey live video. Maybe you dey watch, or maybe you dey try to come. Maybe you come dey do video, which I believe say you not dey that time. Because this man talk one thing that time when the something come and when shine cry come and say na Papa Uwaila get the pikin. Now remember that time, really say most people where they want that time where be say still they do video. Me I dey inside that time where he talk for FA Bright platform. This man talk one thing, he talk everything for there. He say if Shiny believe say na him where be say do mezedo na him born that pikin. He say he need DNA. Okay? Now remember that time. When we say Shine come dey talk say for her to do DNA, this one, the other one, she not they do like titi like. Now remember when people come dey talk say if you believe say na him get her, why you not go do DNA? The man ask for DNA. He say before he go take care of pikin wey be say woman carry come. Now not say talk many story about wetin happen, about pastor, about this one, which I no want go inside. I believe say don priest, you not remember, or you know dey for live video. We were be say we did that time, we know. So this man never deny anything. He only asked for DNA, which is right, because me I believe say many men una need to dey do DNA for na pikin. Yes. Una know why? Because some women, they are so desperate to have a child. Even so, say not be your own self. You go bring and come for outside. You go come to say now you get them. Or in the name of because of say you want make it get something to hold you. Okay? So you need to do one. So that man that time he asked for DNA. He said even he not go there when they want to do the DNA. He can't call many people name. Say they feel present. Anywhere where they say they want to do the DNA, problem not there. If maybe Shiny they fear say maybe he go use money to go cover daughter or something like that. You know, the man talk that time he talk well that time. So many of us come to say, okay, if you as a woman, you know say now this man really get that pikin, go for DNA. DNA not be to buy person. Now to do one just to know say yes, let me get that pikin. Even if you marry self, your own wife born. Just because of say you want to clear that because some women they fifi well then they fifi then go give this one once belle don come e go come give am to one person for inside there. You go say na him get am, and last you go look and not be even get that pikin. You understand? So this one where you can't do this video now, can't they call the man? Everybody now make everybody come wash their hands come out. Because the woman not ready to do DNA. You say na the man get belle, now he get the pikin. The man come out, as they come they drag down the thing really loud. So the man can't decide to come out. The man not even talk say he go provide daughter. No. Because many people talk say if you provide the daughter, maybe you want go do corner, you understand? The man talk and say if you want any daughter where you want, anywhere where you want, he dey ready just to clear and see. Then he go start to take care of a king. Which is very good, because some women, some pikin dey, e don full everywhere where be say no be their papa na im dey train them. Woman just carry and come give say now you get am, and the man go just say no problem. You don priest, if you know say there is child where be say maybe you dey suspect, my brother go do DNA. Me I don talk one story for this year for this social media. 19 years old boy. After his papa comes, the papa for the think and say he want go do DNA. Now because of say money not there. When the papa gather the money, a 19 years old boy not being get time. 19 years old, and the woman wey be say born for her, because now woman born her for him. Not be say married the woman. when he can't do the DNA, the woman already don't know, say not be that man get her. He just leave and make that man just the trainer they go. Do you understand? So I just do this short video to clear here. Maybe you were not aware, or maybe you not know. Uwaila never deny anything, say he not go do. He say he ready to do DNA. But the woman, they run, they go say, she not go do. No, make the man come they take care. Now the man come say, yes, he take care for the pikin wey be say you just carry come. He no know where for carry and come. He go come the trainer as he go. Okay, my people. So don't please, not the chook mouth for waiting you not to understand. I just tell you, okay, because I know say you never come at that time. Go watch video where be say this man take talk, because this matter where they grant, so it not concern this man. I know say many people just want to draw the man enter. Or don't matter one day say he no go do. He say if you do DNA, the DNA results say now you get the pikin, he go trainer. But may you we cook for feeding for school, he go there, but we munu we akoko. The man, I saw the man talk. That's what the man talk. So me una not put this man for inside here. Get to your family. Now woman, now they talk say, see who give me belle. Why be say some women they will carry belle, they no give them, they will just give her to one man. And the man, because of say not get money to do DNA, he go they carry go. Go find that whether that you really born that pikin. Don't trust any woman. Don't trust, especially tale women. Why ain't trust the back? Tale now where money dey na dem wan sit down put enough care go carry another pikin go bring am come e go say na you get am na make some of them go say if you get this belle, if you just dey born am we will go do DNA. Some of them they know say they know for inside their mind say no be that man born that pikin. If they get belle, you go come just tell the man say the belle don spoil. Whereas now she go spoil now, because inside him mind he know say this man don't tell am say when this pikin as you just dey born now we dey do DNA. If not be my own, I not get anything to do with pikin wey be say I not born. Una know how many men wey dey be say they train pikin wey not be their own. In many, especially for that our country, in many where all in the name of say to do DNA, the money is too expensive. They no want go make them go do. Nowadays, if you know say you be man, any woman wey be say tell you say get belle, tell am say you na me get am, say yes, tell am say as you just dey born am, we go do DNA. You go see say na so some of them go dey run up and down. You go come tell you say I no know wetin happen, I miscarriage. You no miscarriage oh, you go remove am because he not trust himself. He not trust himself, especially those of una wey dey this abroad, wey be say una go Nigeria, una no dey use eye take dey see ikebe wey dey shake like this, breast wey go up like this. Once you just go inside, the woman just tell you say I'm pregnant. And una wey be men, make una see dey put something, una no dey do upper direct. Not be only for pikin, una dey prevent sickness, many sickness dey everywhere. Una dey prevent because una still get wife for this side. Most of una get pikin, they tell una say that una born pikin wey dey for Nigeria, whereas not be una born una go dey do DNA to assure say whether na your own or not be your own. Before you go dey carry pikin wey not be your own, they go. So don't please make you hear this one. This man never deny anything, say no they do DNA. Now shiny they run, they go say she will never do DNA. Why as you as a woman, why you go they run say you no want do DNA? Una get better when you are sure say now this man I give you belle. If this man just they talk DNA, now just say go they even they draw the man say may we go for DNA. A woman will be say get it, he know say now this man gave her belle. Now the woman first of all talking. Let's go for DNA. Do manna if you really know say no be you get am. May we go do DNA. Woman where they drag man to do DNA, just know say 100%. He know say now you that man I give am belle. But when she come they run, they go say she will never do anything like DNA for that her daughter. So now make am. The man not they take care. Not be said to take care. Maybe the man not get the money. But see, the man go come the trapping key where be say he don't know whether na he get am or not. Do you understand? So I just bring this short message come out for Don Prince for the video where be say he do when I see. So not blame the man, not blame her, because men they too they suffer for waiting they don't know anything. Woman just put her for a body, make on the carry they go. One of they do DNA, it they very very important. And one more hana, men another person no go carry pikin where be say not be you even born her. You call the trainer they go. Last when you go see her, not be you get her. Okay, my people. So please help me to share this video. I just want me, I just clear here, come out. Mona not drag Papa Uwaila for this issue. Make sure I go do DNA. Make it carry and come. Now bye bye for now. Love and like and share this video for me. God bless you.
Papa Uwaila, anytime you see this video, if you like the tag, anytime you see this video, if now true say you abandon this girl, you know they send her 1 naira, you know they do anything because of say you the verse. Say why the girl go born the pikin. Maybe the verse say why the girl go born the pikin. It already born up Papa Uwaila. The pikin don't they grow, they go. You get where this pikin go reach now, it already 20-something years. Me go see the way you that time you don't advance. Me go see the way to you that shame. You can't be shame, Papa Uwaila. You hear me so? You go come be shame, Papa Uwaila. Papa Uwaila, no matter anything, tell your wife say it don't happen, it don't happen. They take care of this pikin. Don't let this man they take care of her. Because anytime this man they take care of her, okay, you wait in your cocoa everywhere.